Izzy's World, Izzy's World. Listen to the theme song. 1, 2, 3, 4. Izzy's World. This is my minion. His name is Bobby Jr. Welcome to my channel. Today we will be having some fun. And it does not require music. So let me introduce myself. My name is Izzy. And this is Izzy's World, Izzy's World 34. I want a bone on my head. If I can't get this chair spinning, I'm sorry. I have a small room. Ow! Well. This is, of course, shout, but it is also fun. So, what should we do first? This is my room and nothing happened. Yeah. Sorry about what I'm watching. Fairly Odd Parents because we gotta keep this kid friendly. One second. Hold on. That's not how we say 1 second here. This is 1 sec. We're back. Alright. So I'm going to show you guys a fun app that I like. Maybe you guys, oh my god. Maybe you guys might like it. This is Talking Tom Gold Run. This is how you play. You press go. And you're pretty much... I'm having some troubles because I'm trying to play this opposite. So you're go.
Don't you get it? Because I don't get it, Wanda. Every Friday, the big wand in Fairy World gets recharged, and its power protects Dimsdale from the anti-fairies. Now that Fridays don't exist, the wand hasn't been charged. You lost me at every end of the world, Selfie. OMG, smiley face emoticon. All of you, prepare to meet your doom and feel the wrath of my Baba. It's filled with chocolate milk, heated to 1,000,000 degrees.
You guys practically get it because it's like Subway Surfer, but not. Pretty much this is just an introduction video. Oh. You don't have Wi-Fi. Wait. Let's do some bottle flips. Okay. Now that you guys can see me. One. No! Yo! I had to move an eraser. One. I suck. How do people do like a million of these? They're like this. Or like this. They do 50 flips in a day. Like mine slides every time. Wait guys, this is water, Dawn, and hand soap. Makes it challenging. Yes, it does, and I hate it. You know what? Let's just give up on that and go check out my Instagram. Hold on. So sorry. I'm having issues. Trouble. Sorry about the bad audio. Let's check out my Instagram. Oh, I'm Izzy. We will not be doing a house tour anytime soon. Go to Instagram. Let's check out some of my photos. So this one. Don't know when this one was taken. This is Nathan's name. This is me at her house. It says nothing. This is her dog s'mores. Down there, it says this is a dog s'mores. Give me a second. I gotta turn off the TV because you guys can't see her dog. Don't care. There we go. Now you guys shall be able to see her doggy. This is a library photo. How's it hurt? Another one. Another one. Me and my mom. It's pretty much Instagram, bottle flipping, and intro. This is me. What I wore to a New Year's Eve dance. Hold on. Let's come back. Go up. This sucks.
Hi guys, can you guys guess what I'm making for dinner? Comment down below after this. I'm just gonna leave this running.
That was not that many. I have 40 followers, 17 posts, and I'm following 74. Please go follow my Instagram on wolfgirl12022309. It will be in the description down below. Let's get. Let's check what my music is called. I have the cringiest music. You guys can. I'm not gonna say anything. It is the exact same thing. Wolf Girl 1022309. 9 fans, 41 I'm following, 0 hearts. Very cringy. I got one. A lot of these are really bad. Yeah, let's go to my private. Privates is one because I messed up really bad. And I kind of nearly almost posted it. So yeah, only link will be in the comment section down below. Please hit that big red subscribe button and hit that bell icon down below. First, you have to like this video if you liked it for my first video. Next, I want you guys to please. Yeah, I'm a weirdo. I know. It's my love here. Let's make the lighting better before I finish this. Let's redo that so you guys can see what face I was making. Okay, there we go. Please. I know I'm weird. Please hit that big red subscribe button and hit that like button. Bam! If you guys liked it, hit that down button. If you guys did not like it, comment down below what videos you guys think I should do. I will tell you if I can do them. Also, do not forget, hit that subscribe button, and you have to hit it to be able to hit that bell icon to know every time that I, upload. It'll be on days that I am home alone, weekends, and days off school. So see you guys next time. Peace out. Dang it, I messed up. Peace out. Yeah, I see. Yeah. Say that one more time. Peace out. Peace. 3, 2.